Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna go in this dense forest, and it's in Trinity, Texas, and it's commonly known for the Trinity River. And this forest is pretty dense and deep.
And this is also our land.
It's even deeper than that pine forest over there.
All right, let's focus on
Now
this.
we're gonna go explore it.
Good. All right, let's go explore nature, guys. All right.
Southern vegetation.
Okay.
Obviously gonna be a little bit more
So,
skateboard looking thing. I don't know who put it there, but it's an apparent move.
It's actually supposed to be a chair.
It can apparently move like a skateboard, like a surf.
all right. So, what are we going to explore about
We're
nature
gonna
today?
find some animals, maybe a large ungulate, something like that.
All right.
If
So,
something's above our heads, we'll check.
all right. So, I think the challenge would be let's find something interesting to talk to our viewers about. Maybe an insect, maybe a bird, squirrel,
Like that.
and all that. All right. Let's go.
And you forgot my name
Your name is.
Bella,
Okay.
Mike, and Daniel.
Good job. All right. Let's go and explore.
His name is Mike too.
Yeah, and that's me and Mike too, guys.
Alright, y'all, let's look in the creek, because that tends where all the life is, because there's water nearby.
Now,
So, oh, spider web.
okay. Did you see the spider?
Yeah. Oh, I see
Okay.
one on the ground.
All right, let's see that. I see two.
Yeah.
Those are spiders.
Where are they?
They're around.
3 spiders.
I think they're pretty.
All right, this one here.
This one.
5
one more.
spiders.
5.
Yeah, it's 5 spiders.
Oh, I see one. They're wandering around.
Now, so this. What do you
1,
have to say about what kind of spider is
I
this?
don't know. I can't identify. It's like a brown spider or something.
Now, what do spiders do for human beings? Are
They kill the mosquitoes in the area. So if there's a spider web, don't take it down unless you don't spot a spider, because they will help control the mosquitoes and flies. It just takes a long time.
I see.
I'm
That's a good point to make.
And we
All right.
died upstairs.
All right, so one.
Spiders won't harm you unless you do something to them.
All right, so one. What we just found is spider, guys. So let's explore. Now you have to look down and see. Now you don't want to go get tangled up in that stuff, guys. No, Danny, don't go there. Okay. All right, let's go down. Now you're gonna watch your step. Let me lead the way here. This is fun. Now you watch your step. What?
These are like something. Tell me, guys. Tell me in the comments, whoever is that zoologist person. What is this plant?
It looks like palm
It looks
trees.
like a yucca.
I'm
or something. I don't know.
It looks like palm
Maybe
trees
like
to me.
one of those pines that have those sharp edges. I don't know. So let's just keep moving.
Let's keep moving. Let's look up and look around. On the floor here, you might see tiny insects. All of those insects.
So I don't think we'll
Nice.
really have much of
Yeah, they have to be hiding somewhere. You never know. Those squirrels might be looking around. I don't see. Do you see anything up in the tree, guys? found spider. The thing. Can we see here? Maybe we wants to look at screen.
Why is there more leaves than last
It's the golf ball. Yeah, nice.
Maybe they was playing golf up there.
Okay. How did the golf ball end up here?
Maybe they were playing golf and they
No,
smacked
don't
it.
step in there. It's swampy there.
time? Yeah, we saw a golf ball. Wait, why did we saw a golf ball in the park? I mean, we saw a golf ball. Then we was where we was
This way, Danny. Come here.
Oh, listen.
Don't go in there. Step back. Step back. Maybe what could be in there?
Smells like fish.
Yeah, come back this way. We don't want an alligator to come at that. Guys,
Oh, this kind of sounds like plastic.
now don't touch those things because now, guys, when you are out here in the forest or anywhere,
In the
like could
wilderness.
be avoid touching plants because some of them can be itchy. What is the name of that plant that is itchy?
I think it's poison
It's
ivy.
poison ivy, yeah, correct.
Wait, Dad. Also, this plant, it sounds like rubber or plastic. Like if you turn a ball inside out, it sounds like that.
I see. That's a good one.
There's
No.
a pond.
Guys, that's a pond, or do you know what is going on here? I see another tiny spider.
I think it's like
It smells like dead fish. So there may be there's an alligator in that creek over there.
Now you want to tell people what is going on that side there. That's actually a river, right?
I don't want to take the risk.
Yeah, that's like a river. Now watch your steps, right? Wisdom, come back.
I'm gonna start calling these plants plastic plants.
Daddy,
Because they
come
kind of
back,
feel
come
like
back.
plastic.
Yes, okay, that's a bottle. Bella just found a bottle.
Why are they
Alright.
glittering?
Right.
You do know that you're littering nature?
Yep, I see a bottle here. So some people have been here.
Maybe in part 2 we'll try to clean this place up.
Whoa! There's a bottle right here.
Yeah, so we have found. Oh, guys, what is this? Explore nature.
This one.
Now,
That's
yeah,
a mushroom. Don't touch it.
some are healthy, some are
That
poisonous.
looks poisonous. But kids or whatever, don't ever eat mushrooms if you don't know what it is. If you're a specialist, that's okay. But if you're just a kid going out in the wild, don't do that. Because some may be poisonous and you may be regretting it.
Oh, good advice. Don't take note of that. All right, let's go. Oh, guys, this is a new discovery here. Ooh, Bella, back off. Now you want to tell viewers about these ants?
Those are red ants, and their stings hurt. I've been stung by 6 on the leg while I was wearing flip-flops, and it did not feel good. It was hurting for a few weeks.
And
These are ants, guys.
Fire ants.
Fire ants.
Daniel,
Or
last
not.
time he
Yeah,
got
those
a
are
lot of
just
ants
ants.
in his suit,
Fire
and he
ants.
was jumping up and down, but it was not in a video.
All right, so guys, stay away from these guys here. They'll get you. Come on, guys, let's go.
That's why I never wear flip-flops in the store.
Mama, come on. This way. Don't go in the ants.
All right. So do we explore a bit deeper or something?
I think we've done enough exploring today for now.
Let's look a bit more because we need to find some more stuff.
Alright, part of what we found here would also be a can of soda here. Somebody just drank, what kind of, this is cream soda or something?
Yeah, it's cream soda.
Alright,
think it's from that house up
We have to make the video when we
alright. Somebody ate something here. Is that like sandwich? I mean, what do you call it?
hummus.
But Daddy, come back here. Where are you going there?
They're putting sandwiches and
Come back, come back, come back, come down. Somebody sent you up there. Yeah.
all
No, no, no. Stop. All right. That's what discovery is that?
Is that a nest?
Probably. Nobody knows.
All right, guys. Where's the hole here? Okay.
There's a hole.
This is a hole. Now, I'll tell you guys something, viewers. There's no animal that is active in this hole right now. This used to be, you see this? An animal used to live here, but it's not there right now. Why? Can you tell me the reason why? You know, there is cobwebs. That is the secret, guys. So there is cobwebs.
Wait, that lady is coming
Stop, Bella. It's not. If it was still, this is still active, all these plants will not be growing here. There will be no cobwebs here. So whatever used to live here does not live here anymore. That's how you know if there is an active animal living here. This is something like, maybe guess what kind of animals?
Maybe it could be a ground squirrel or something, but I don't think they live around this area.
Alright, don't want
maybe a
anything to
mole.
run out of here at you now. Let's go.
Yeah, I think there's tunnels inside.
Right. Oh, watch out, guys. Back off, back off. Come on, come on. You just saw a dog.
Sorry guys, I thought it was the animal coming back for a bed.
Well, guys, you just saw a dog.
Guys, what if the dog ate the animal inside there?
No, it didn't.
That dog is a pet.
that lives here.
Right. All right,
That
let's go,
was so
guys.
scary. I thought it was the animal coming back for a bed.
We just saw a dog from nowhere. Yeah. That's strange.
Coming back for a bed.
That was strange, actually.
Yeah, because the dog, I think it came from there. So guys, I don't know what type of berries this is, but just in case, don't eat these. They could be poisonous.
Inside is
I've
yellow.
seen them in school, but
Inside
for now, they're kind of unknown to me. I think they're cranberries, but don't eat them.
Inside is yellow.
Really?
No, it's ripened.
No, inside is
So
yellow.
it's likely a cranberry or a poisonous berry. But on
Inside
the
is yellow.
Otherwise, don't eat them.
Bella, how do you know inside is yellow?
Because that is squished one.
Oh, really?
There is.
Well, I wouldn't touch that because
I'm touching the branch.
no. What you don't know about in the wild, you stay away from
Never
them
eat.
because
Never eat red like these vibrant colored berries or something.
well, except you know,
They could mean something.
it
Except
could be poisonous.
cranberries. Cranberries are red and.
And if I just called him Daniel, because his brother.
Where is that
No,
kid?
if I just called him Danny because his whole name is Danny.
All right, come on, guys. Oh, you see, look at that. It's gonna. This is a dog that showed up out of nowhere. Come on, guys.
That was the dog I screamed so loud.
So guys, this is the end of the video.
All right, come.
I hope you liked
I thought that guy was
and
coming
we
back
will
for
be
some
coming up with the next one.
All right,
So
come
stay
on.
tuned.
Go in the car. Come on.
And please subscribe, like, and share.
I think he's
And
the apex
comment if
predator
you
of the
can.
forest.
Bye.
That is the surprise. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, he's
Go
the
in.
apex predator of